What bees? What's going on?
Car wash.
Car wash for what?
Hume Lake.
Oh wow. How many cars have you guys washed so far?
I don't know.
How many cars so far? 80? What's that? How many? ¿Cómo está?
No sé.
No sé? Okay. What about you two?
I don't know.
You don't know how many cars you've washed? How many cars today, Lindsay?
100. 150.
100? Awesome. Are you working real hard right now?
Yes.
It doesn't look like it.
I'm sweating.
Hey, there's CJ. What's up? Katie?
Hi.
What have you been up to today?
Just washing some cars.
Oh, that's a video camera.
That's not a video camera. It's a phone. It's just a oh, I know who to follow around now.
Now
Perfect.
I'm fine. Now
Hey,
I'm
Shay, you have the same phone case. I know, that's what I just said.
You know, we cut the wings off of this one. Did yours have wings on it?
Yeah.
Because it wouldn't fit and stuff.
Yeah.
It looks like the youth car wash is being done by an adult. You want to be in the video? What do you? Hey, I see a lot of kids standing around.
No! No! Let's wash your phone for you.
Come on, let's go. Let's start doing something.
I don't have a hose.
You don't have the hose? Well, what should they be doing? Yell out some orders. Come on, guys, right here. Right here, right here. Time to do something. Hey, this youth car wash is being done by
No,
one man.
Dan just had the hose in charge by adults. That's all.
Oh, all right. But hey, do all these kids need to be doing something?
You know what? In just about 30 seconds, they do.
I came over here to take video of the kids working on cars, and I haven't got any yet.
Hold on a second.
What about Sos? What's she doing?
Colin, get out of there. Keep going.
What are you doing, dude?
Chill, waiting for Mandy.
You're working real hard, huh?
Oh, I'm done. I did my shift.
You got your shift?
I did my shift.
Is this the first ticket on Red 11?
Say that again.
Is this video?
Yeah. What's the? Will you tell us a little more? This is going to be on the Hume video, so tell us all about it.
Hey, Abby.
Hey, Abby. What are you doing?
What?
Huh? Yeah? Sorry, what? 1472 Taco Bell.
Hi. Can you come get me?
Are you done?
Get the wash in.
Oh gosh.
Hi.
Hey, it's time to start working, guys.
Dude, leave.
Your shift's
We've been
over?
here since 6.
Oh my gosh, is that a long time?
It is.
I've been here since 6.
You've been here since last night.
Exactly, p.m. But I was.
We were here too, but we went home.
Oh yeah, that's true. You were here. That's true. Yes, that's true. Hey, look at all these guys washing cars or something. Oh, now I got some footage of car wash.